Sow, meaning pronunciation, sow. Sow means to plant seeds in the ground so that they can grow into plants. It can also mean to cause or start something, such as an idea or a problem. Simple meaning, sow equals to plant seeds / to start or cause something. Common uses. 1. Sow verb, to plant seeds in the ground. Example, she sowed the seeds in the garden this morning. 2. Sow verb, figurative, to cause or introduce something, usually something that grows or develops over time. Example, his words sowed doubt in her mind. 3. Sow noun, a female pig less common. Example, the farmer raised several sows on the farm. Examples daily used sentences. 1. They sowed the seeds for the new crop in the spring. 2. He sowed the idea of a new business in their conversation. 3. If you sow kindness, you will receive kindness in return. 4. She sowed the garden with different flowers. 5. The speech sowed confusion among the audience. Real-life explanation. When you sow seeds, you are planting them in the earth to grow. Figuratively, sowing can mean starting something that will develop or grow over time, like an idea, a problem, or a feeling.